Good morning, I'm Alex with P&K. Today we're featuring some of our STEINER products. Start with the tractor. This is an articulating, oscillating frame. We have it outfitted with our dual wheel kit to give us slope stability up to 30 degrees. They're available with 25, 32, and 37 horse power plants. We have our stump cutter mounted on it right now. We're going to be featuring a 72-inch rough cut deck. It's capable of handling material up to 1.5 inches. And we have a slip scoop. One of the biggest advantages of STEINER is how simple it is to change between attachments. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to move from our stump cutter into our rotary cutter. If you'd like to find out any more information about the STEINER products or any of the other attachments available, feel free to reach out to your local P&K dealer.